Eating healthy is all about balance and understanding what we're putting in our bodies. So today we're peeling away the confusion that comes with the health benefits of potatoes. Let's find out why potatoes are delicious and healthy too. So I'm here with chef and author Kendra Peterson from Drizzle Kitchen, who's going to sort out the mashup when it comes to potatoes. Now, Kendra, people are really on the fence on whether potatoes are healthy or not. So clear it up for us. Are potatoes actually good for us?
Yes, potatoes have so much nutrition in them. There's vitamins, there's minerals, there's antioxidants, there's fiber and protein. That helps balance out your blood sugars when you're eating a starch. Plus, they're just delicious.
They really are delicious, but they're really delicious when they come in French fries or a loaded baked potato. Is that where the confusion comes in?
There's a million other ways that you can cook potatoes that are super delicious. So steaming them, roasting them, cooking them with olive oil and just some really good sea salt.
A lot of times people throw away the skin, they won't use the skin, but it's good for you.
It's so good for you, and so the outside of the potato has most of the fiber, and then right underneath the skin, which actually is true for most vegetables, is where many of the vitamins and minerals lie. So if you peel all that off, you're throwing away so many good bits.
Let's talk about portion.
This is a good portion size. It fits in the palm of your hand. So think about your plate like a clock.
Okay.
From 12 to 3, you are gonna have starchy vegetables or a grain. And from 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, you move on to your proteins, vegetables, and whatnot.
Kendra, there's so many different potatoes out there to choose from. Are they all good for us, or one type better than the other?
So they do all have a baseline of pretty good nutrients. But if you really want to step it up and you want the best, you're actually going to look at the sweet potato, which is technically not a potato.
Oh.
It's a starchy root. This has a crazy amount of vitamin A and vitamin C.
Today you have a recipe for us, and we're going to be highlighting the sweet potato.
Yes. We are doing a new method of cooking that I've been so excited about. So you're gonna take your sweet potato and just cut that baby in half. And then cut it again in half, just doing angles.
So you
just barely.
Yeah, very light score.
Yeah, and then you turn it the other way.
Why are you doing that?
So you make a grid. So this is going to really latch onto, after we roast it initially, we're gonna make a glaze to put on top. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And luckily I already have some that are roasted for us. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to make this super delicious topping that's just gonna bring it up to the next level.
Okay.
So first I'm gonna open up some garlic. You can use as much or as little garlic as you want. So we're just gonna add that into olive oil. Put in some maple syrup. We're gonna add smoked paprika. And then we're gonna last end up with some whole grain Dijon. Brush it right on top.
Oh, that's great.
So these are gonna go back in the oven for about another 8 to 10 minutes, just until it gets bubbly and yummy.
I cannot wait to try them. So let's sum everything up. What have we learned today about potatoes and eating healthy?
So potatoes can be a good part of your diet. Think of them this way. Roasted with all of the good nutrients, the fiber, the protein, the vitamin A, the B6.
Eat your potatoes, you're eating healthy.
Absolutely.
Great recipe, Kendra. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, now it's your turn. What is your favorite healthy potato recipe? Tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So you like that, and now you want more information about living a healthy life. Well, we've got you covered. Just check out the other videos on our channel.